Hi guys, welcome back to Lancaster Automart. My name's Lewis. Today I'm going to give you a little walk around video of this lovely 2017 Toyota Prius XL. So this is a 1.8 petrol hybrid engine with a CVT automatic transmission finished in metallic silver. So I'm going to give you a little walk around video, let you see it from all angles, point out some of the features as we go around it. So we've got the LED daytime running lights up at the front. We've got the 15-inch lightweight alloy wheels in silver and black. So this car, like all our Automart cars, comes with 6 months warranty as standard, with the option to increase that to a 1 or a 2 year term at an additional cost. We've got blind spot monitoring on here. We've got front and rear sensors and a reversing camera. We've also got the intelligent park assist. It's only just come in with us, so it's not had a chance to go through its preparation yet. I'll take you through to the interior. So we've got the multimedia touchscreen in the middle. On here we've got features like the radio, which is AM, FM, DAB, and we've got Bluetooth audio connection just here as well. We've also got the JBL sound system. Below that screen we've got the dual zone climate control here, and then again that's the CVT transmission. We've got different drive modes, so your screen's up here so you can choose between the eco, normal and the power mode. Then you've got your EV mode there. We've got the park brake. We've got heated seats as well hiding under here, so there's the driver's one, there's the passenger side one. We've got the wireless smartphone charging pad there as well. Then we've got the leather wrapped multifunctional steering wheel with audio controls over on this side, and then trip computer controls over here, and then cruise control just hiding behind here. You've got your keyless start just here, and then you've got your park assist here, and then you've got your front and rear electric windows here with electrically adjustable mirrors. And as you can see up on the dash up there, we've done 22,077 miles. We've also got the colour heads-up display that you can see just there. And we've got the full black leather interior. And that carries on into the back seats there with the ISOFIX points at the bottom of the 2 rear seats. So that is just a couple of features on here. This won't be around for too long, so if you are interested or if you want a bit more info on it, just get in touch with one of the team. You can give us a call on the number down below, or you can drop us a message on our Facebook page. That's all guys, thank you very much, bye for now.